Hello everyone, my name is Hisham. I'm the owner of Clemson Aeronautics, where we make the riveting and dimpling systems for the experimental aircraft market. I'm sure you have our phone number by now accessible at the beginning of the video, and we are in Seneca, South Carolina, right next to Clemson. As a matter of fact, across the road from the Clemson airport. We're building the RV-14A to demonstrate our tools, and now we are building the rudder, and we are in the process of dimpling the skin of the rudder. Now what's unique about this skin, it is very thin. It's only 16 thousandths thick, and in this video you should be able to recognize the versatility of the machine, where we can move the machine itself, maneuver it in a position that would suit us while we're doing the dimpling. And really all you need, even with a tight space, if you're doing this in your garage, you can build a cart for your machine and put 4 swivel wheels on it like we did here, and then you can have very lightweight tables, 2 lightweight tables at a height that would be level with this cart, and then when you're done work you can pretty much fold the legs or something and set it to the side, and you can park this to the side so you can have your garage back to do something else. Most of the airplane parts doesn't have any weight, I mean very little weight, so you don't need a very strong table or anything. What have to be strong is the table that carries the dimpling system. That's what is important. So the tables, which take most of your space, you can make it from lightweight materials with folding legs and so forth, and then you can put it up when you're done with it. And now we are going to start dimpling the skin. We're dimpling everything that's a number 40. The forward ones are a number 30 anyway, and there is 7 holes on the top of the skin that is taped over them because we're not supposed to dimple those at this point. That is not a good idea. I think I'm going to use the yoke on this one. Just going to untape my hose. And I believe we're done with the dimpling of the skin. One thing that is worth noting, the trailing edge of the skin is supposed to be scuffed, and I think this, for the 3M tape or glue to stick properly, they needed it scuffed. And it notes to tape over it so the primer don't get on the area where it's scuffed and the trailing edge. So be careful when you prime your skin to tape over it before you prime it. At this point, I finished riveting the two top reinforcement plates with the rivet nuts, and the bottom one I just riveted the top 3 rivets and assembled the bottom part, and I'll close it out for today, and tomorrow we'll be riveting the rest of the components here on the rudder, and perhaps start on riveting the stiffeners to the skin. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.